Hello everyone, myself from Yashri and this is my school Loyola High School in Bengaluru on Bannerghatta Road, and I'm here to welcome you all to our wonderful institution. So let's get right into it. Loyola School started in 1982. We have Kannada medium from 8th to 10th standards and English medium from 6th to 10th standards under one roof. Loyola institution is a Jesuit institution named after St. Ignatius of Loyola. And interestingly, in the academic year 2019-20, our school received 100% results with 21 distinctions. He is our rector father Anthony Joseph S.J. and he is our principal Father Edward Rodriguez S.J., who inspired people with their service and are serving for the welfare of the institution. These are our mentors and guides, our loving teachers. We have the best qualified teachers who encourage students and help them to learn in a better way. Here we have a spacious quadrangle where school assembly and different programs are held. We have a spacious community hall and chapel situated in Mount St. Joseph. This is a huge playground where students practice various outdoor games like kabaddi, kho-kho, volleyball, throwball, football and basketball. Students have achieved many prizes in both state and national levels, not only in outdoor games but in different indoor games too. Many cultural programs were held where students have opportunities to perform their talents like dance, music, singing, drama and other activities. We have scouts and guides and band troops with specialized trainers to guide them. Education or enrichment is a dynamic, evolving, lifelong process. Hence, Loyola institutions took students for rallies to provide the awareness for the people about various activities in the society. Here we have our karate champions who participated in national and international level karate championships and won many prizes and also brought glory to our institution. To maintain mental and physical health, students are trained to practice yoga, meditation and exercises regularly. Our school's classrooms are wide and has good environment around the school so that students get a good breeze and study without any type of disturbances. Classrooms contain projectors so that the students can understand the topics in a visualized format. We have computers and science lab facilities so that the students will be able to learn by experimenting on the theoretical knowledge. Students also participate in co-curricular activities which is held every week. Students can exhibit their talents by participating in various activities in fun fairs. Enjoyment is also a part of school life, isn't it? Hence, students can also enjoy once in a year out of the school campus for going for tours in the name of excursion. Our school also facilitates study centers at Kembathalli and Sakalavara, where students need not attend other tuitions. Yes, you heard it right. Instead, they can study in the nearby study centers of our school. All students' alumni was held and they have contributed for the welfare of our institution and helped poor students. Loyola institution conducted COVID-19 awareness program where the guidance were provided about the COVID-19 pandemic. Not only that, but also provided food kits for nearby villages every month in the pandemic situation. As we say that the service is the best thing which a person can do. Well, are you all lost in our school? Then see you all soon in our institution. Contact us for more details. Till then, goodbye.